My roar came right back to say hello. Whee! Even a bumpy potato can bounce and roll with joy. Hop, dodge! Hop, dodge! Uh-oh, here comes a big one. Boing! Oops, a juicy drip. I'm just to hold it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arms, all wiggling for fun. Whee! Rolling down the vine is my favorite ride. Flutter, glow. Flutter, glow. Flutter, glow. Watch my wings light up bright. Scoop, scoop, scoop. My pouch is getting so big. Oopsie, pop. Fish everywhere. Stick, climb. Stick, climb. Stick, climb. Look, I'm upside down. Whee! Balance, wobble. Balance, wobble. Balance, wobble. Look, I did it. Yay! Pop! 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 Where am I next? Surprise! Look, a flower hat. Pop! 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 Where will I pop up next? Surprise! Right here! Blow bubble! Blow bubble! Blow bubble! Watch my biggest bubble ever! Wobble, pop! Stretch, dance! Stretch, dance! Stretch, dance! Can you dance with me? Big spin, whee! Wiggle warm! Wiggle warm! Wiggle warm! I feel so cozy and toasty. Stretch, ah! Snap, snap! Snap, snap! Snap, snap! Can you clap along with me? Big finale snap! Boing, boing, boing! My hump is the bounciest trampoline. Wow! Ready for the big jump? Whee! Wave, glide. Wave, glide. Wave, glide. Watch my big happy flip. Whee! Roll, poof. Roll, poof. Watch my biggest fluffy poof ever. Whee! Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Can you tap along with me? Big drum roll, tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Waddle, wait. Waddle, wait. Waddle, wait. Ready, set, splash. Whee! Got it. Catching feathers in the breeze is so much fun. Twist, twist. Look, I tied my stem into a cute knot. Stack, stack, stack. My little blueberry tower is done. Ooh, so sour. But my silly face makes me giggle too. The breeze tickles my fuzzy skin so much. Wobble, wobble! My round bottom loves to sway and giggle. Whoopsie! Even bananas slip on their own funny peel. Even bananas slip on their own funny peel. Bounce together! We're one big happy grape family! Shine, shine, I'm the shiniest apple in the whole orchard! wobble, bounce. My purple shine is shiny and fun. A spicy sneeze makes everything extra funny. Ooh, look! Another shiny layer hiding right underneath.
Tee-hee! My little cloves love to peek out and play.
Wobble, wobble! Dancing cabbages are the silliest fun. Flex, flex! Eating spinach makes everyone super strong. Tug, tug, tug! I popped right out of the ground, yay! Pop! We're three little peas, always snug together. Pop, pop! My kernels love to jump and play. Boing! I'm squishy, round, and full of bouncy fun. Inch by inch, this leaf is the yummiest snack today. Zoom, zoom! Skimming the water is my favorite race. Every starflower has its own magical twinkle to discover. Let's slide together. Being kind makes the sky feel warmer. Zoom, zoom! Riding comets is the most exciting adventure ever! Splish, splash! Washing up keeps me clean and so happy! Working together makes every farm adventure so much easier. Watch my glow change colors. Pink, blue, and purple light. Stack, stack, stack! I solved my own little acorn puzzle. Clap, clap! Making new friends is my favorite winter game. A rainbow carrot with every color. How wonderfully colorful! 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 hops. I counted all of them. Boop! My colorful beak loves to play silly jungle games. Sharing sweet pineapple makes our forest friendship so sweet. Sharing juicy strawberries makes breakfast so much sweeter. Woohoo! One leg up, wobble, wobble. I can balance like a star. Washing my apple keeps it clean, shiny, and yummy. Whee! Rolling downhill is the silliest, happiest ride. Oops, my sneeze made sparkly rainbow dust. 1 stripe, 2 stripes. I have so many pretty patterns. A bubble on my nose. What a funny wake-up. Wobble, wobble, waddling turns into my favorite dance. Rose and Daisy together make the sweetest new smell. Peekaboo! I see you, little butterfly friend. Hello. Slow and steady waving is still the friendliest hello. Splash! Rolling into the water is my favorite beach trick. Look how strong I am, lifting leaves way bigger than me. Boing, boing! My fluffy wool makes the best bouncy fun. Oops, I missed. Still so much fun. Polish, polish, shines like a tiny rainbow. Moo! Haha, the hill said moo right back to me. A funny leaf hat on my antlers? How silly is that? Boop! Popping bubbles with my horn is my favorite game. Red, blue, yellow. My feathers are the prettiest colors. Gotcha, Shadow! Playing with my own stripes is so fun! Oops, silly twig. Let's try stacking it once more, together. Whoopsie! Banana peels make the silliest little slips. Gliding is so much fun. Look at my sparkly splash. My little call bounces all the way across the mountains. Chirp, chirp. My little song makes the evening so magical. Push, push, push. Ugh. I rolled my pebble all